Ready to level up your Android app development skills? Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, you need to dive into the world of Jetpack Compose with our cutting-edge course. Say goodbye to tedious XML layouts and hello to intuitive UI design. Jetpack Compose is the modern toolkit for building native Android UIs with less code, intuitive design, and faster development times. And in this course, we're diving deep from the very basics to creating advanced, production-ready applications. This course is part 2 of our Android development series, a complement to our best-selling Part 1 course on Udemy. Part 1 helped thousands of students build and publish their first Android applications. Now, in Part 2, we're taking those skills to the next level, equipping you with advanced techniques and knowledge to create even more powerful applications. Starting from scratch, you'll learn everything you need to know, master the fundamental composables to build stunning UIs, create complex Android applications using composables, master layouts, constraints, lists, cards, and advanced elements, integrate Room for robust local data storage, and use Retrofit to connect your apps with powerful APIs. But that's not all. We take it a step further by implementing the MVVM architecture, ensuring your apps are scalable, maintainable, and professional. This course doesn't just teach you how to code, it teaches you how to build applications like a pro. Plus, you'll be joining a community of passionate learners and developers, all working towards one goal: becoming an Android development expert. Enroll now and get your 70% off coupon. Use this code or contact us to get discounts. Don't wait to start your Android development journey. Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering Jetpack Compose and building the apps of tomorrow.